can do the OEM packaging. The MOQ is 1,000 pieces. We can do the free OEM packaging for you. Like for this one. This one you can see actually this one of course it will be used to selling in the supermarkets because you can carry here the selling very easily. So this is we designed for our customers. We are going to using a plastic to fix the smartwatch to keep it not move in the color box. And then we are going to have another one, the color box, color it. In every product, we are going to have a use manual guides for our customer to download the app to see how it works with the smartwatch. And also, everyone they are going to have the charging. This is the USB for the smartwatch for kids. So that means inside they have one charging cable, a watch, and a user manual guide for our customers. It will be like this. Actually, the design is very nice, isn't it? Because when you put it here, and even you can see the watch inside without open the box. So this is our unique point. We also can help you to do the design for free. Only if your order contains 1,000 pieces. On the packaging, this is also no problem. We can help him to do this. 这个是那个滴胶的，对不对？哦，你刚刚说错了，那我说错是滴胶的。哦。